I go out with friends to see a scary movie, the type of movie that I need to see with friends. I end up in the dark alone and feeling goofy, 'cause I start sneezing from beginning to end. The other day they took me to a TV station, to an audition for a brand new talent show. They asked me if I had a gift for song and dancing. I told them sneezing was my greatest gift of all. Achoo! I've got a red itchy nose. I've got a red itchy nose. No, I can't stand this anymore.